Hey guys, really excited. Got this portable air compressor. This thing is going to be really nice. As you can see, it fits right in your hand. There's your control panel right there. We're going to go ahead and throw on power. Hold it in to get the power. You've got your LCD screen right there. You also have different modes. You can blow up tires for cars, any kind of ball like a basketball, soccer ball, volleyball. You got bikes, motorcycle tires, anything like that. Anything that you would need to just kind of inflate because the tire might be low. It does come with this package as well in the box, and it's going to have your valve stem right here that you'll be able to just screw right on. You've got your charging cord and different components that you will need to attach based on what kind of tire you're going to be inflating. As you can see on here, you've got your brightness, positive, minus, and the different modes that it can go to based on what you're trying to inflate. Also has this feature here to turn on a light if you were to need that.